584 Virginia.
584.
I just had a train strike a truck out here at 7 and 101. Send up medical. Be there a bit. Speed 584 Virginia.
584.
Tell them they're going to want to come in from the west of 7. The truck is going to be on the west side of the tracks.
Over. 540. Where you want more troopers to respond?
Negative, let the Coney know. You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna stop. I didn't think you were gonna go all the way through.
I just watching that other car go in front of me, and I wasn't even.
Okay.
You know,
all right.
The other car stopped there and turned. I was just watching the other car.
Yep, gotcha. All right.
Did he back out of there?
Yeah, let me check on him. Speed 584 Virginia.
584.
I just had a train strike.